What's up guys, this is the Left Pedal and today we're going to show you how to make HydroDip at home.
And all you need is some spray paint and a bucket of water.
We're also going to be killing Nick's child today, so there's that.
So obviously this isn't going to get you professional results. This is something to do when you got a little paint and you want to have some fun.
Alright, so the first thing you need to do when you're hydro-dipping something is spray paint it black. Whoa! Whoa! Shit!
That's pretty cool.
Whoa!
Don't you like it when stuff actually works?
Yeah.
Alright.
My fingers are gonna be forever stuck like this. Alright, so when doing this, we suggest using gloves because otherwise it takes literally 20 minutes to scrub the paint off your hands. So instead we're gonna be using plastic bags over our hands now. Otherwise it'll look like you painted your nails and it's not fun.
Bring it up just
Yeah. Oh, that was cool. I need to.
Yes, you.
Holy crap, dude.
Badass.
That's awesome.
Hold that there.
That was weird. It's getting hard.
That is cool.
That's crazy. That's awesome. Oh my god.
Oh man,
That is so awesome.
that is cool.
Chrome dome.
Oh, he looks awesome.
Oh man.
That's fantastic.
Like father, like son.
Whatever. Oh man.
Awesome.
Gang.
So all in all, I think this came out pretty well. I mean, it's got a nice swirl to it.
It's hot.
It's hot.
Hot.
It's on there.
If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe to the Left Pedal for more cool car stuff every week.
Ka-chow!